Hi friends, hope you are doing fine. Welcome to the Windows 10 video tutorial series. In this video lesson we will be learning about Cortana, which is a personal assistant in Windows 10. Cortana is an intelligent personal assistant created by Microsoft for Windows 10, Windows 10 Mobile and Windows 8.1 mobile phones. Cortana was demonstrated for the first time at the Microsoft Build Developer Conference in 2014 in San Francisco. It has been launched as a key ingredient of Microsoft's planned makeover of the future operating system for Windows Phone and Windows. It is named after Cortana, a synthetic intelligence character in Microsoft's Halo video game franchise originating in Bungie folklore with Jane Taylor, the character's voice actress, returning to voice the personal assistant's US-specific version. Currently, Cortana is available in English, French, German, Italian, Spanish, Chinese and Japanese language editions, depending on the software platform and region in which it is used. Cortana mainly competes against assistants such as Apple's Siri and Google's Google Now. So this is basic introduction to Cortana software. Cortana can be used for many purposes, such as if you want to search something without typing on keyboard or any external device. You just have to give voice command to the Cortana. To activate Cortana, say, "Hey Cortana," and it will be listening. After saying "Hey Cortana," whatever you will ask, it will search on internet, or if you are giving command to the Cortana, then it will perform an operation. So this is the main benefit of Cortana. You don't need to type, you don't need to point with your mouse. You just have to say, "Hey Cortana, search restaurant for me." Wow, that's great. You don't need to type. That is wonderful feature. Now let's see what we can do with Cortana. So to see what we can do with Cortana, just click on this Cortana search bar and click on this question mark. Currently I am seeing my temperature, and if I want to go to some other place, then I'll have to just enter address. So I'm clicking on this question mark icon. Here you can see all the things you can do with voice commands and using Cortana. So first one is calendar. You can add event, edit event and review event with calendar commands. If you want to set a reminder, then you can also set it using Cortana. You can set alarm, you can send email, you can play music also. You can get directions. You can get facts about people, places, things and many other stuff. Like if you want to know about Narendra Modi, then just say, "Hey Cortana, tell me about Narendra Modi." It will just give you result on the fly. So this is what Cortana does. Now let's explore more options, which is you can track your flights and packages. You can watch sports details and sport timing and schedules. You can see movies show times and concert show times. You can also see finance related detail. You can do math, calculation, conversions. You can find your word meaning, translations. You can check weather updates and you can search anything you want, as we did. So this is all about Cortana. So this is what Cortana does. So it is the wonderful feature provided by Windows 10, and Cortana is an intelligent, artificial intelligent personal assistant. As you will be working with her, he will be learning or she will be learning, and based on that learnings, it will provide you results. So this is Cortana. Thanks for watching.